this is a cool little table. I'm not exactly sure what the wood is out of it, but it's all made out of one piece of wood. It's imported, and it's got a big bad split over here. I want to repair it. I want it to look good. I want to use the same kind of wood, but that's as close as I can get. What I have here wouldn't exactly match with it. So I decided what I'm going to do is a little transplant. I'm going to take the wood from the back of this leg here. I'm going to cut out the size and shape of the crack, and I'm going to use that piece of wood to fill this crack, and then my replacement will go back over here where I can hide it and wouldn't really be seen. And then on the top, where the dark wood is, I have some dark walnut wooded wedge that I'm going to put in here to fill that up. So let's see how it goes. I got to stop and tell you about this. Just made a discovery. This little log table is made out of satinwood. The way I could tell it's satinwood is it has a unique scent. It's like a mild Irish carnation, very mild, soft kind of a smell. And I only smell it when I grind up or cut satinwood. And that's what this bench is made out of. This is what it looks like. Now this is mature satinwood. This log table is a younger species, but satinwood you have noticed from being on the edges of dining room tables. But just look at the grain in this. It just about moves. It's wild, really cool stuff. Look at it. It's just about moving on you, the grain there, the life it has. And what satinwood is it's a freak of a rosewood tree. What happens is some rosewood trees, they start to grow, and this is rosewood over here, and then for some reason they stop emanating this dark color, and they start growing without the color in it. And it grows up and gets mature, and that's the stuff that they use on the cross bandings of dining tables because it's such a rare and pretty cool wood. And that's what this log is. Here's some pictures of some tables that came in with the rosewood satinwood combination. My dad told me about it, and then when this, but I never saw proof on it. And then when this one table in particular came in with the satinwood and rosewood on it, I knew right away that's what he was talking about. Okay, so everything's pretty well filled. There's a couple little tiny spots. I'm going to hammer in a little wedge just to fill that in. We're pretty good on the side. On the bottom, again, I need another wedge right here over here of the walnut to fill that in. And then I have to patch our leg where I took the piece from in the first place.
Judge, we came here to protest. Choose it as two young children who will make much better decisions in the future. Thank you.
A young man accused of murdering 17 people in cold coming face to face.
Okay, now that all the touch-up is done, there's only one thing left to do, is I'm going to rub this all down now with very fine steel wool, wax it and buff it up, and it's all done. We'll take a look at it.